My name is Jehan, and today I will show you the blocks I made for Scratch beginners. First, there is glide 100 steps in direction 90 in 1 second. And there is change that by default 5 ball at 5 is gracefully keeps pressed. It means you go 5 pixels, but if you press space, then you go faster by bullet. So if I click space key, you can see that it's going fast. This one's the same, but now it's Y position. Now this is the fade block. So it is 10 frames, so it is getting ghoster by 10 and 10 frames. If you change the value, then changing the ghost block will change so that it will always become 100 at the end. Wait, what? Strange. Okay. So the script is, well, this. Let's talk about glide step block first. It glides to a position, but you add the X position and sign of the time step and Y position plus cosine of the time step, and change X's. In Scratch, you could turn a ball into a number, so it's 0, 1, 0, 1, so I can make this block. Now, wait, what? Do. In fade in frames, it says you could change ghost, so you could change ghost to pixelate, and it works just the same. And this is the range. So yeah, I'm going to just reset everything. Wait, what? Okay, well, what is happening? Well,